Like every year, Tripura Student Federation observed Black Day on Monday at Khumulwng Dashram village, remembering the tragic incident of 2019 when the TSF students were affected by the incident involving the peaceful student protest against the CAA bill. The program was attended by TTADC Chairman Jagadish Devarma, TSF General Secretary Hamla Jamatia and others.
It has been 5 years since the incident of the firing on students' protester by police happened during the protest called for CAA. But till then, no justice was served to the students who were shot and injured during the protest. And this day, that is 8 January, should be remembered by every Triprasa. On the last 8 January 2019, TSF and ESO with some of the students protested against CAA. On the meantime, police started firing on the students and some of them were injured. Even when they were taken to the hospital by ambulance, they were stopped and beaten up. This day was really a worst nightmare of Triprasa people. Since then, every year, TSF observed this particular day as Black Day. And likewise on Monday, TSF observed Black Day at Khumulwng Dashram village to protest on the firing by police on protesting students against CAA. First of all, a rally was held from Dashram village road to National Highway. During the interaction with the media, TSF GS Hamla Jamatia said,
what is the main reason of today's release and what's the special day of today?
We all know what has happened in the past years. In the year 2019, TSF has organized a peaceful rally against Citizenship Amendment Bill. We all know not only in the state of Tripura, but the protest was held noticeable. And here in Tripura, we TSF organized a rally and call strike statewide on January 8, 2019. But during the time when the protesters are having a peaceful rally and peaceful protest, the government of the state and the police of the state opened fire and injured 7 supporters of our organization. We condemn the incident that has happened in the past, and today we all know we cannot forget the incident that has happened in the year 2019. What has happened to our supporters and all the public, especially the people of Dashram Kami and Mother. We all know the grievances and the suffering that they have faced. We also got to know that not only the people were shot, but also they are having a condolence program. But they even not spared it. They go and attack the program over there. We TSF stand with the people who have injured and the family who got injured and suffered from the movement. And TSF will always remain with them. And we want to urge the people of the state, why only TSF is organizing and observing this Black Day? Why not we come together as one and honor the movement? This movement is not only a movement of TSF. TSF want to pass a clear message saying that this movement should be a people and public movement. Let's not say it's a political movement, organizational movement. We should understand it's a public movement. We are doing for our people, for our existence. I want to urge in the coming days, let's observe the Black Day, not only here in Dashram or Madhab Kami, but statewide. And also I want to appeal the government of the state and the TTADC government. Let's not forget the day. I want to appeal the government to declare Black Day as a holiday. This will be demand of TSF. We should respect the people who have suffered, and TSF will never forget their struggle and suffering. And also I want to pay tribute to our late Mantural Kaiping family. I personally talked to them and invited them to come and attend the program. We not only lost and get injured, but we lost lives at this movement. So I appeal you all to support the movement and stand with us physically, morally, in what ways you can. That will be my request to the people of the state.
Likewise, speaking in the program, advisor of NESO, Upendra Deborma said.
Jotono aware tongo je CAB 2016 isimi abo introduce ngmani pore chini boro rokni bisingo kobangma protest ngkha sudu protest simia jeng 2019 no jebro CAB no CA klayo azorani 2019 ni je 8 January bo sengkaisa 11 hour strike klaimani yagulo Azagaw sini peaceful protesters, TSF ni peaceful protesters ni sakawo Tripura government ni force rock borok sini sakawo guli kaya Azagaw sini 6-7 jon guli nangka te kebang ma dokumen ka abun bagi tini ni je o rally o tabok CA ni against so sengobo khlai tongo tai sengobo kunu dino TSF tai Tripura ni youth rock o CA no mania
Angkat ini normal thai jeng majaga borong.
Omo sengtini Dashram kamini lamprawo. Omo thangnai chini je 2019 ni je protest claimant ni jaga bo orono madop bariwo. Abon bagai o jaga seng kebang ma saiman ka o je protester rokno chini sakabo je guli klaipuru. Seng saiman ka oro kebang ma je srado klai tongnai rok tai haino general boro rok sako bo kebang ma borok firing klai nei chin boro rok kebang ma buja khatok jaka abono muito klai no tini ni o seng tabuk bosor brum 8 January hingkai jeng TSF ni pasintui abono black day nei jeng observe klayo tai obo kaisa muito klai remani sal je chini bisingo hatani boro rok je police prosecution rok borok je akromon khlaimani abo kaisa chini oro muk tongroknai tai sing oro nahari naike chini Maharaja Bir Bikram ni yakob aro borok guli kogoi sabaijak abo joto muito tongani abo bagi abo sing repair khlaili atam ningkai chini hawo chini sakawo je police force rok tai je oro ni administrator rok chini sakawo je ottachar khlai tongmani abono sing taja khlai narokna ni bagai o tinini sal TSF by bosor brum no o black de palai jagi tongnai
Te onyo jaga ro boda tinin din hayo kuno jaga palai jak.
Tinin dino o jaga simino centrally sengklayo tamne kai beskang bosor go o sal kosom sal TSF ni bagai obo seng jaga ono seng piri tongo tai chigon ke sengklaina ni wan sugoi tong.
On this day's rally, apart from TSF GS Hamalu Jamatia and advisor of NESO Upendra Deborma, NESO Finance Secretary John Deborma, TSF former President Mevor Kumar Jamatia, TTAADC Chairman Jagadish Deborma, MDC Umar Shankar Deborma, TSF President Samrat Deborma, and other officials of TTAADC, TSF, and NESO were also present. Reported by Prabir from Khumulwng, Chini Khorang.